My dear English learners, English கத்துக்கிறது fluent ஆகிறது ரொம்ப காம்ப்ளிகேட்டடா இருக்கா? கிராமரை பார்த்தா தெரிச்சு ஓடுறீங்களா? கவலையப்படாதீங்க. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்காக. இந்த வீடியோல நம்ம வழி தனி வழி. அந்த வழி வந்து ரொம்ப சிம்பிள், ரொம்ப எஃபெக்டிவ் வே. இந்த 3 ஸ்டெப் மெத்தட் நீங்க ஃபாலோ பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will become an English pro. And that is my guarantee. So all of you serious and smart English learners in the video skip panama parunga. If you're new, subscribe because it shows me that I need to make more videos for you and motivates me. All right. So the first step is learn the most common English words. Okay, learn the most common English words. Now let me tell you something. நீங்க யாருமே வந்து zero fluency ல இல்ல. Okay, if you are watching my video, that means you know a little bit of English at least, right? Okay, now in any language இதை நீங்க யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் இந்த மெத்தட். In all languages we don't need thousands of words. Just over 250 to 350 words are the most commonly used English words or any language. தமிழ் கூட எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Some words are very rare, some words are very common. நீங்க வந்து இப்போ இந்த English words நீங்க கத்துக்கணும். And they are very simple words. They are not the advanced English words. They are the common English words. Tell me one thing. Why are you all doing these things? Because all of us want to go to the next level, get a job, go abroad, whatever it might be, right? For that you require 3 things. First one is you need to get a professional ATS resume ready. Now in the hiring HR, I know how to make a perfect resume. Send your resume to me. I will make one for you. Okay, this is a paid service. Number 2, get ready for your interview. How to get ready for your interview? Join my interview preparation course or session. It is only for 1 hour. I will teach you how to answer all of the HR questions perfectly. Next, you have to become fluent. Join my English fluency course. Join my academy and you will become fluent in English. For all of that, this is my email ID. Mail me. All right, so let's continue. Now I'm going to tell you, see, in the method la vande there is one thing that you have to follow. Either neenga seiyalana it will be of waste. So let me tell you a story. Okay, so I do not know உங்களுக்கு John Maxwell என்றவர் தெரியுமா? He is a motivational speaker. So there is his rule of 5. Okay, what is the rule of 5 னா, சப்போஸிங் நீங்க யாராச்சும் வந்து ஒரு சின்ன பிள்ளை கூட ஒரு ட்ரீயை வெட்டணும்னா என்ன பண்ணணும்? அந்த ஆக்ஸ் கோடாரியை எடுத்துட்டு போய் you have to chop. But சின்ன பிள்ளை என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? Can he do it for a long time? No. So there is the rule of 5. Every day நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்? அந்த ஆக்ஸ் எடுத்து அந்த மரத்தை 5 தடவை நீங்க வெட்டணும். But what is the point here is consistency. Every day you should do it until the tree falls. So நீங்க 5 minutes or 10 minutes but do it every day. So follow this rule of 5. Remember the story. And the English fluency வந்து நீங்க வந்து கான்கர் பண்ணணும்னா இதை வந்து everyday பண்ணணும். Minimum you have to do it for 30 days. But if you want, you can do it for a maximum of 6 months and surely you will become an English pro. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how to find out these common English words. Now for these common English words, you can use the listening method. Okay, so as you know, we always do the LSRW method. LSRW, the first one is listening. Okay, என்னத்த லிசன் பண்றது? இது கூட ரொம்ப காம்ப்ளிகேட்டட் இல்லைங்க, ரொம்ப ஈஸி. அந்த மெத்தட் என்ன சொல்லட்டா, என்னோட பிளேலிஸ்ட் இருக்கா, என்னோட சேனலுக்கு போங்க, அங்க வந்து நிறைய வீடியோஸ் இருக்கு. அந்த வீடியோஸ்ல நீங்க half an hourக்கு வீடியோஸ் பாருங்க. எவ்வளவு வீடியோஸ் வேணாலும் பாருங்க, 1னா பாருங்க, 2னா பாருங்க, anything, but watch for half an hour. In those videos you will find the words that I'm using often, frequent. Pick those words. இப்போ கூட நான் ஒரு வேர்ட் சொன்னேன், frequent, அந்த வேர்ட் எழுதிக்குங்க. So in my videos you will find practices commonly used, perfect, consistent, confident. In the words எல்லாம் நீங்க எழுதுங்க. Just the common words which are going on getting repeated. எழுதிட்டீங்களா? Next, I think I have missed giving you the quiz. Last time also I missed it. Okay, so quiz time is for you to improve. Do something to improve yourself. Okay, now the last week's quiz question is initially, that means at the beginning. This week I will give you 2 sentences. Choose the correct sentence and write it in the comments. Okay, we were late to the meeting. Sentence number 2. We was late to the meaning. To the meeting. Which is the correct sentence? Write it in the comments. This is for you to improve, and I want all of you to do it. All right? Okay. We move on to the reading part. So, if you are a serious English learner, you should be reading every day. I hope you're doing that. If not, you start today. Okay, it's all right. No problem. It's not too late. Start today. So every day you must read something in English. Supposing you are reading a novel or you read a newspaper every day, very good. அந்த article book every day you have to pick out the common words which repeat. Frequent repeat ஆகிற words நீங்க எழுதிக்கங்க. So you can read for 15 minutes. Okay, half an hour listening, 15 minutes reading. இதுல இருந்து words வந்துரும். Say supposing you have found about 20 or 30 words ன்னு வெச்சுக்கோங்களேன். அந்த words are common words. So now you cannot write words such as is, then, what, am, or, on. Adala illanga. Real words you have to write. Like I told you, practice, perfect, consistent, whichever you like, you feel you can write those words. Now, you have written these common words. All right, what you should do with them? Try to use those words in sentences. Okay, make sentences with them. Simple sentences. If you are a beginner also, you can do it. Simple as all. If I am going to take the word practice, I must practice every day. Simple sentence, you wrote it. Okay, so that is what you have to do. You have to write those words. Let me tell you the joke about number Subramani Sundal. He is ready to go to US. அவருக்கும் இந்த மெத்தட் சொன்னாங்க, LSRW ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்க. கொஞ்ச நாள் பொறுத்து வந்து சொன்னார், மேம் நான் ஃபாலோ பண்றேன், ஆனா எனக்கு ஒண்ணுமே இங்க வரலையே, ஐ எம் ஸ்டில் லைக் திஸ், ஹவு கேன் ஐ கோ டு US ன்னு கேக்குறாரு. அப்ப எனக்கு டவுட் ஆயிட்டு கேட்டேன், வாட் இஸ் LSRW? LSRW என்னன்னு சொன்னார் தெரியுமா? L லுக்கிங்கா, S stammering, R repeating, W வாட்ஸ்அப் டெக்ஸ்ட். இதெல்லாம் செய்த மேடம், ஆனா நான் எப்படி யூஎஸ்க்கு போவேன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல, இங்கிலீஷ் வரல. நான் சொன்னேன், இந்த LSRW ஃபாலோ பண்ணீங்கன்னா ஏர்போர்ட் கேட் கிட்ட கூட போக மாட்டீங்க. So follow my LSRW method. How many of you who are watching, do you know what is LSRW? If you know it, write it in the comments. Okay? All right, so let's see if Subramani Sundal gets it from you and he goes to US. All right? Okay, now step number 1 over. Now we move on to step number 2. In step number 2, we are going to be writing the W. We are going to say that is writing. Okay, so now you have all of these words that you have the common words. Inniki நம்ம வெச்சுக்கலாம் 30 words உங்களுக்கு வந்துருச்சு. Use those 30 words to write a paragraph. So paragraph writing is very important. Why? Because you will know how to use these words and make up a little story, a summary. Now summary kuda enakku theriyalanga eppadi eludradhu. Beginners, what you can do, let me tell you. Watch one of my videos. Okay, அந்த வீடியோவோட summary நீங்க எழுதுங்க. Summary எழுதும்போது try to use these words that you have picked out. That's all. A paragraph could be 5 lines, or a paragraph could be 5 sentences, or it could be 10 sentences. All depends on you. At least try to write for 5 to 10 minutes. எழுதிட்டீங்களா? That's it. If you're intermediate level, try to write something imaginary. Okay, you can choose topics like my dream job, my dream vacation, my most embarrassing moment, or the person I hate, or the person I love. Anything you want, but try to write a paragraph. So நம்ம இப்போ என்ன finish, which is the most இதுங்க ரொம்ப important. இது செய்யலனா no use of doing anything else. Okay, the last one left out is S, that is speaking. Yeah, we are going to speak in English. Okay, now what I'm going to tell you is that is also simple. Adana complication illன்னு சொன்னேன்ல உங்களுக்கு. You got to take the paragraph that you have written, read it once and speak about it. You are not going to read it, but you are going to speak about it. You are going to say what you understood and what you liked about this method, whatever you want, but speak about what you have done. And the paragraph பத்தி நீங்க பேசணும். And this is going to be a minimum of 3 minutes. You're not going to speak for 30 seconds. Okay, all of you can do this. Don't give up. The only thing you have to do is be confident, be consistent, get out of your comfort zone into your effort zone. இத மட்டும் விடவே கூடாது. Okay, so speak. எங்க நீங்க ஸ்பீக் பண்ணலனா there's no point. Most people, they fail because they don't do this last thing, that is speaking. It is like இப்போ வந்து எல்லாம் வந்து பிரியாணி செய்யறதுக்கு எல்லாம் வாங்கிட்டோம், ரைஸ் வாங்கியாச்சு, சிக்கன் வாங்கியாச்சு, தக்காளி எல்லாமே வாங்கியாச்சு. ஆனா நீங்க பிரியாணியே குக் பண்ணலன்னா என்ன யூஸ் ஆஃப் கலெக்டிங் ஆல் these things? No use. So that is what is happening. Okay, most people will have everything ready but they won't make the biryani. நீங்க தான் பிரியாணி செய்யணும். Okay, so start speaking. So you will speak about this paragraph for 3 minutes. Okay, supposing நீங்க வந்து you within 1 minute it's over, திருப்பி அதே ரிப்பீட் பண்ணுங்க, பட் கண்டினியூஸா அந்த ஃப்ளோ இருக்கணும். 3 minutes அது செய்துட்டீங்களா? Now stop. After stopping, read the paragraph again and do it the second time. Second time you will realize that you have more ideas, you have more better sentences, and you are speaking with more confidence. So this is the last step, that is step number 3, the most important step. Don't miss this. Okay, and the challenge here is to do it for 30 days ga. எல்லாரும் சொல்வாங்கங்க 10 days பண்ணுங்க, 1 day பண்ணுங்க, இதெல்லாம் நடக்காது. Let me tell you the truth. The truth is, this English fluency journey does not come within 20 days or 1 month or whatever. You have to be consistent and you have to work on this. Work throughout this year. Watch all my videos and become an English pro. All the very best. I will see you next time. Go and watch the video that I have left about last time, a 21 days challenge. Take up that challenge. Okay? And I will see you next time. God bless.